Are you ready yet? We're already getting late.
Almost. Just trying to find my watch. Have you seen it?
It's right there on the table. You never look properly.
Oh, got it. Thanks. By the way, how do I look?
Not bad, but that shirt is too dull. Wear the blue one.
Really? I thought this looks classy.
Classy? You look sleepy in that color. Trust me, go change.
Okay, madam, give me 2 minutes. Now tell me, how's it?
Much better. You actually look party ready now.
Finally. And what about you? Still deciding?
I have nothing to wear.
You say that every time and still look amazing.
Don't try to flatter me. Help me choose red dress or black one.
Black. It's elegant and you always get compliments in that.
Good choice. At least you have some fashion sense.
Of course, I'm your husband after all.
By the way, did you order the gift?
Oh, I totally forgot.
What? Seriously?
Relax. I'll quickly order it right now.
Please do it fast. We can't go empty-handed.
Done. It'll be delivered there directly.
Good. Crisis managed. Okay, listen. Don't forget. Be polite and don't start your boring office stories.
Excuse me? My stories are interesting.
Only you think so. And please don't stay on your phone all the time.
Fine. And you? Don't disappear with your friends and leave me alone.
I won't, but you have to mingle too.
Deal.
And please don't eat too much at once.
Hey, it's a party. I have to try everything.
Also, don't forget to compliment the host.
Yes, yes. I remember my manners.
Good. And smile more. You look too serious sometimes.
I'm not serious. I just have a thoughtful face.
Haha, sure. Now come on, let's go.
Wait. Keys, wallet, phone. Okay, ready.
Finally, let's leave before we are the last ones.
After you, my lady.
I hope we are not too late.
Relax. We'll reach on time.
Did you check the location properly?
Yes, I've put it on the map. Just 15 minutes more.
Good. And please drive a little faster, but safely.
That's a confusing instruction.
You know what I mean.
Don't worry. We'll reach perfectly on time.
By the way, who all are coming?
I think most of my colleagues and a few of your friends too.
Oh, nice. Then it'll be fun.
See? Worth all the rushing. We are almost there now. Well in time, aren't we? Yes, we're right on time. Perfect timing, actually.
Good. I hate making a late entry at parties.
By the way, what did we finally order as a gift?
It's a decorative lamp set, very classy and useful.
Nice choice. Hope they like it.
I'm sure they will. It's elegant and not too common.
Great. At least one thing is sorted perfectly today.
Also, don't forget to mention it's from both of us.
Of course. I won't take all the credit.
Haha, you better not.
Look, we've reached. That's their house, right?
Yes, that's the one. Looks beautifully decorated.
Alright, let's go make a good entry. Ready?
Always. Let's go.